Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing and review video. Right now I have the Worx Sidekick. You may remember a few videos ago I did the portable workstation slash sawhorse from Worx. Well, I bought a couple of these sidekicks. I actually bought two of them. And just like the portable workstation, it holds 300 pounds. In sawhorse mode, the workstation will hold 1,000 pounds. I actually ordered a second one. That's how much I like it. So I ordered a couple of these Worx sidekicks. Just like with the portable workstation, they have these little fasteners. You can see the orange fasteners. So you can connect them together or you can use them individually. It's pretty simple to set up. Let me set up the camera and show you. So you just remove these little keys. And then it has these cams right here. So you undo those. There's four, one in each corner. Once you do that, tabletop just lifts up. The legs collapse. And then it stores neatly inside the table here. Just like that. And then it has one of these orange things or two of them. I actually used one of them to connect the table. There you go. And then you got just a little portable table there. You can stow under. I'm going to store it under my workbench when I'm not using it. But the nice thing about this is it allows me to have just a portable workstation out in the garage or out in the driveway. I'm actually, you can kind of see, I'm set up where boys and I are working on stripping the paint from the boat, getting ready to bring it in the garage and do the epoxy. So these have been going out with the boat. And actually what I'm going to do is I bought a second one of these portable workstations right there. You see right now I have the rock saw on there. So I can take it out in the driveway, cut rocks, make a big mess so that it's outside instead of in the garage. But we're going to set the boat on these things, and we're going to refinish on there. The nice thing about it is they're all the same height. They're all, I think, 32 inches, which if I didn't have, you got to pardon the mess here, if I didn't have my table saw up on casters, it'd actually be the same height as my table saw. So it's got me thinking, if I get a permanent home for my table saw where I don't have to share it in the garage with cars and all kinds of other stuff, they might make a decent outfeed table. Or if you got a contractor saw, you know, that would be a good outfeed table slash work table. And hey, if you cut into it, they're on sale right now, so I'll post a link down below. But I did pay full price for the first one of these portable work centers, and now it's on sale. But great work option, or if you have limited space and you want to start working on stuff, or you got a little craft room downstairs, you just need a table you can do some garbage on and then move it out of the way when company comes over. Yeah, these are fantastic. Now you can kind of see it does come with some bench dogs. And then I'm not using those here, but you can kind of see I have the bench dogs up there on the portable workstation. It does have some tool wells, lots of work holding options. I like it. It does have some engraved rulers. I don't think I'll ever use those. But really happy with how it's working. This one has been used and abused right now. It's as you can see, it's got a bunch of rocks and a rock saw on there. So really like it. If you get a chance, pick one up while they're on sale. It's a great buy. Really happy with them. Like I said, I bought two of the work centers and I have two of the sidekicks. So it'll give me a nice even countertop if I ever need to go. If Armageddon ever comes and I need to go set up a full workshop outside. Anyway, I hope that helps, and as always, thanks for watching.